This footage shows Celebrity Summit at Halifax, Nova Scotia in October of 2018. The GTS Celebrity Summit is a Millennium-class ship owned and operated by Celebrity Cruises. She was built in 2001 at Nazaire, France for Celebrity Cruises as GTS Summit. She was renamed with the Celebrity prefix in 2008. Tonnage 91,000 gross tons, length 294 meters, beam 32.3 meters, draught 8 meters. She has 11 passenger decks. Installed power 2 General Electric gas turbines, speed 24 knots. Capacity 2,158 passenger lower berths, crew 999. This footage was shot from the Cunard Queen Mary 2 while berthed at Halifax, Nova Scotia. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel.